Good morning everybody, welcome to the class. Today we are going to have a topic of profit and loss. What is the meaning of profit and loss? Exactly, these are the simple examples. Whatever you are purchasing and whatever you are selling, the margin between them is profit and loss. Like if you are purchasing any good of 100 rupees and selling it at 120 rupees, you are getting a profit of 20 rupees. If you are purchasing at a cost of 100 rupees and due to any circumstances, like if you have to clear your shop or the lot is more and the season has been changed, that you are selling the product not of 100 rupees but of 80 or 50 rupees, you are getting a loss. So make it a small example. Like you are having 100 rupees with you. You have purchased an earphone, 100 rupees earphone, headphone or earphone, whatever you want, and purchased it from any, you can say, bigger market like from Delhi or Mumbai, and selling it at a cost of 120 rupees. So here 20 rupees is your margin, that is profit. How much profit? That is also a question. Profit means how much percentage. 100 rupees, if you will divide it by 100, it will become 1%. If you are getting 100 rupees product, 1% will be 1 rupees. But if you are selling it at 120 rupees, again divided by 100, you are selling it at 1.2 rupees. So here 1% will be 1.2. 120 rupees you are selling and the cost price is 100 rupees, you are getting 20 rupees profit. That is a simple concept. Again, purchased not earphone, make it here cake. Purchased a cake at 100 rupees and customer does not come to your shop to take the cake. Now you cannot hold the cake for 1 week or 1 month. Cake means 1 or 2 days maximum. So now you are ready to sell a cake at any cost, because if you are not selling the cake at any cost, then you have to throw it in the dump or you have to eat by yourself. So you told them that okay, 100 rupees cake, I don't want 120 rupees, I want 100 rupees only. If you are selling 100 rupees cake at the same cost of 100 rupees, then you are not getting any profit or loss. If you are selling the 100 rupees cake at 50 rupees, 40 rupees, 30 rupees, 80 rupees, whatever, like make it at 80 rupees. Purchase the cake at 100 rupees, selling it at 80 rupees. Everybody knows that now this is a loss. L-O-S-S, loss. How much lost? Here is also a question. Purchased at 100 rupees, sold at 80 rupees, what will be the loss in this section? 100 rupees purchased, make up 1% of 100, that will be divided by 100. 1% is equals to 1 rupee. You are selling it at 80. 1% of 80, that will go to 8 rupees, that is 80 paisa. So here 100 rupees, selling it at 80 rupees, obviously you are getting a loss of 20%. 20% how? Because you have purchased it at 100 and you have sold it at 80. The margin is of minus 20. If you will add this 20 with 80, it will become 100. If you are purchasing the, instead of cake, earphone, headphone, whatever you want, any goods, 100 rupees, you are selling it at 150 rupees. Instead of 100, you have invested 100 rupees, 1% of 100 rupees will be 1, and you sold it at 150 rupees. 150 rupees of divided by 100, it will go to 1.5 rupees. 1%. Here 1% is 1.5 rupees. Here 1% is only 1 rupee. So obviously 150 rupees sold, 100 rupees purchased, 50 rupees margin, that is profit, and the profit here it will be 50% because purchased at 1 and sold at 1.5. These are the basic concepts of any business. Positive.